Okay.
High five. Manny, high five. Come on, high five. Up, high five. Come on. Manny, high five. Smell it. High five. High five. Manny, high five.
Hold it just a little lower.
High five. Come on, smell it. High five. Come on, high five. High five. Good boy.
These aren't the really good ones yet, though.
Come on, Manny. Up. No, no, no. High five. High five. No. High five.
It was best when you had him, have him lay down and then do it.
Manny, lay down. Lay down. Look at Lexi. Lay down.
It's like Cheryl Whipper.
Lay down.
You need some distance, son. You're too
I
close
can't.
to
He's
it.
too close. Manny, lay down.
There you go.
Good boy. Now, high five. High five. High five.
He loses his balance.
You gotta see him from the front. Look, come here. High five. Man, you gotta smell it. High five. Nope, high five.
Have him do it from laying down. Yeah.
High five. High five. Smell it. High five. Good boy.
Give Lexi some treats, though.
High five.
Last one.
All right, high five. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. High five. High five. Good boy.